Hey guys, so if you guys have a Toyota 4Runner, preferably I think it's like a fourth gen. I wouldn't be surprised if it's in a third gen or a fifth gen though. You have a weird humming noise. I did a Google search and I found out what it was. It has to do with the I think the evap system. If you guys are aware with like smog and stuff, there's the evaporation system that does like something with the gas fumes, and apparently around 5 hours after it's shut off, it starts making a humming or a buzzing noise. And so yeah, as you can see here, it's approximately 5 hours after the engine is turned off. You hear sound coming from under the whole vehicle for several minutes and the sound of a fuel evaporation leakage check. And it does not indicate a malfunction. So I'm sure somewhere in some handbook or even maybe the shop manual, it'll probably talk about this, but you can see other people where they say around 4 hours, 5 hours later, it starts making a humming noise. So it's apparently okay and a normal function of the vehicle and probably the evap system. So should be okay.